5 reasons why you suck at Blender. So 1, don't watch one tutorial and then you feel like you've arrived. Learning Blender will require a lot of tutorial. Far as you're not going to take a course on Blender, you have to watch and watch and watch and watch as much as tutorial you can watch before you can become better. The second one is very, very important. So most of you want to just watch the tutorial and then start with complex models. You want to start modeling a robot, animating, and then making some crazy renders already. Okay, so it's not how it's been done. Okay, so starting out in Blender, you have to start with simple models like kitchen utensils, or even try out a fork, knife. All those things are kitchen utensils. You can try out a mouse or something very simple that is going to be very easy for you. Don't start to model a spaceship or think of modeling a spaceship starting up in Blender. Okay, so the third one, don't watch the tutorials and then practice later. This is very, very, very important. Most of you just want to watch the tutorial online and then later you practice. So far I've been learning Blender. I don't think there is any tutorial that I've watched and then practice it later and I've become better at it. So if the tutor clicks A, make sure you click A with him. He clicks B, make sure you click B with him, so that you can practice later after you've practiced with the tutor. Even if it's fast, you can pause at some minute and then do what the tutor is doing. Okay, so just follow suit as the tutor is teaching you. That's the best way to learn. And so far it has helped me. So that way is going to be easy for you. It works like magic for your brain to grasp what it's doing, even without you understanding it. Just follow what it's doing. So whatever it is you're doing in 3D, it requires a lot of patience. You don't just do flash and everything start working. Okay, it doesn't work that way. You have to be patient with whatever it is you're doing. You have to give it time. Another thing is consistent. This one is very, very important in every niche you're into. So make sure to be consistent. Okay, trust yourself and believe that you will do it today, do it tomorrow, do it next tomorrow, and keep doing it. Okay, so there are a lot of interesting things you need to be doing to become better at Blender. And if you think I didn't mention some of them, you can let me know on the comment section. This was a quick one. Thanks for watching. See you on my next tutorial.